Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your WorldRemit app not working and easy troubleshooting steps. The first thing you want to try to do is simply force close your application and try to reopen it. If that still doesn't work, you might need to ensure you have a stable internet connection. In order to do that, simply go ahead and try to toggle between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data. Also ensure that VPN is turned off. You can also toggle on and off your airplane mode just to give it that quick little refresh. Once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead into your App Store or Play Store and then search for WorldRemit right over here to check if there are any updates available. So simply go ahead and tap on the application. If there are any updates available, there will be an update button rather than the open. So it is as simple as that. If none of it works, you have no other options but to uninstall and reinstall your application. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.